Okay, so in this video, I just want to show you how to install the chaotic AUR. So the chaotic AUR is just another community-based type of AUR, but the difference is they actually pre-compile applications from source for you. So with the normal AUR, you have to do the compiling. So your computer has to do the compiling, and it might take a lot of resources and time. So they basically just do it for you, and you can just download and install it. So in order to install the chaotic AOR and make it to work, just open a terminal. Let's open my notes. So manually receive the public key for chaotic AOR. So using this key sudo pacman, so you have to get keys, obviously, locally signed, and then install the chaotic AOR keyring. Install the chaotic AOR mirror list, and then you have to edit the pacman.conf file and include the chaotic AOR and a mirror list. Right, let's do it. Well, I've done it already, so all you have to do is, I'll just leave this commands in the description. Do all of that, because I think some of them takes a while. I don't know why. Let's just see. Put that key there. Sure, it will just overwrite it. It just sits there sometimes. I don't know why. But locally signed. Let's copy this key here. This I have to change this. It's so very light. If I select text in this notes of mine. Right, paste that one. Assign it locally. Right, and then install chaotic AOR keyring. Right, paste that in. Yo, why is this thing so slow now all of a sudden? It's not like it's doing anything. Right, so that's installing the keyring. Alright, and then the mirror list. Let's select that, paste it. Right, and then we have to edit the conf, pacman.conf. Alright, so just scroll down a little bit up to where you are at, where it says your normal AURs and core, extra, and multi-lib. So all your package managers and mirror lists. So you put this one. Let's see. Yeah, I've got it there, so that's fine. So put this one first, they say. So chaotic AOR. So it will actually check first in the chaotic AOR for that specific application. Before, if it doesn't find it there, it will go to the normal ones. So if it's already compiled and in here, it will download it straight from here first. So basically, this is just the chaotic AOR. Include its pacman.d/chaotic mirror list. Let's make it a bit bigger. I forget to increase the terminal size every time. That's basically just that. And then after, just save, exit, and then after you've done that, just think the databases. So sudo pacman dash pacman -sy. There it is, chaotic AOR, and it's running. So now you will have pre-compiled applications to download for. So that is it. Pretty straightforward. So like and subscribe if you like this, or what do you think about the chaotic AOR. Now the chaotic AOR is not as regulated or tested, so there might be malicious software in there. You just don't know. It's being run by the community, and it's not that well known as the other ones. So yeah, it's a bit of a risk you're taking, I suppose. But yeah, that is how you do that one. So good.